Are you ready to elevate your DIY, home improvement, and workshop game? Today, we're showcasing 10 amazing tools that you simply must see. From precision cutting to heavy-duty welding, we've got tools for everyone. Let's dive in. Number 1. The air-cooled electric hot knife is a versatile foam cutting tool ideal for engraving and DIY handmade projects. Equipped with blades and accessories, it delivers precise cuts on materials like XPS, EPS, low-density sponge, plastic extruded boards, pearl cotton, and KT board. Whether for commercial use or creative DIY endeavors, this tool is designed to handle various applications effectively. For optimal performance, it features an adjustable knob that allows users to control temperature and power. The built-in air cooling system ensures continuous operation without overheating. During initial use, set the knob to its maximum setting and wait for the blade to heat up fully before cutting. To maintain the tool's longevity, it is recommended to let it rest for 1 minute after every 5 minutes of use. This foam cutter is reliable for intricate designs, smooth edges, and professional quality results. Its ergonomic design provides comfort, making it easy to handle for extended periods. Whether crafting models, working on insulation projects, or creating unique designs, this hot knife ensures precision and efficiency. It is a must-have tool for hobbyists and professionals alike. Number 2. The Hesvogen 145A MIG welder is a cutting-edge gasless flux core welder designed for both beginners and professionals. With intelligent synergic MIG control, it adjusts voltage and wire feed speed automatically when you select 0.030 or 0.035-inch flux core wires or modify amperage. Delivering a robust 145 ampere output, it effortlessly handles plates up to 1/5 millimeter thick, ensuring precision welding with minimal effort. This dual-voltage machine operates seamlessly on 110-volt or 220-volt and includes a conversion adapter for easy switching. Its efficiency surpasses traditional arc welding methods by up to 30%, providing smooth, professional-quality welds without slag or the need for polishing. Perfect for garage projects, home repairs, and steel DIY applications, it's compatible with metals like iron, carbon, and steel. Weighing just 9 pounds, 4.5 kilograms, this compact welder is highly portable, equipped with a handle for easy transport to job sites or outdoor tasks. Safety features include built-in protections against overheating and overcurrent, safeguarding the device's internal components and ensuring durability. The Hesvogen MIG 145 offers superior performance, convenience, and versatility, making it an excellent choice for a wide range of welding needs. Number 3. The endoscope camera with light offers a 1920-pixel HD resolution for capturing clear images and high-quality videos. Featuring a 7.9mm probe, it easily inspects hard-to-reach areas, delivering snapshot images and videos at a resolution of 1920 by 1440 for precise observation. This borescope connects effortlessly with iOS 9.0 Plus and Android 7 Plus devices via the SUPainsock app, available in app stores or through a QR code download. With straightforward setup and operation, users can view real-time images on their screens, making inspections efficient and hassle-free. Equipped with a 16.4 feet semi-rigid cable, the Snake camera offers an ideal balance of flexibility and stiffness, enabling it to navigate various inspection areas. Its IP67 waterproof design allows operation underwater up to 3.28 feet for 1 hour, making it suitable for challenging environments. The camera's adjustable LED lights provide excellent visibility in low-light conditions, making it ideal for applications like car engine inspection, pipe maintenance, house mold inspection, and wiring checks. With its durable build, versatile functionality, and user-friendly features, this endoscope camera is a reliable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 4. The PowerMate Air Needle Scaler is a versatile tool designed for efficient surface preparation. Equipped with 19 durable steel needles, it delivers powerful scaling action to remove rust, dirt, paint, and weld slag from hard metal surfaces with ease. Its compact design allows for precise cleaning of smaller areas, eliminating the need for messy abrasive blasting. The scaler features built-in speed control, enabling users to adjust power settings according to the task at hand. The pistol grip design ensures enhanced control and comfort during operation, while the front exhaust system directs heat away from the user, improving safety and usability. Weighing just 4.2 pounds, this lightweight tool is easy to handle, making it suitable for prolonged use without causing fatigue. Ideal for a variety of applications, it is a reliable choice for metal surface preparation in industrial, automotive, or DIY projects. The PowerMate Air Needle Scaler combines efficiency, durability, and user-friendly features to deliver excellent performance. Number 5. The MZK 40-volt 16-inch cordless electric push lawn mower combines powerful performance with user-friendly features for efficient and convenient lawn care. Powered by a 40-volt battery and a full copper motor, it delivers impressive cutting power while maintaining low noise levels, ensuring a peaceful mowing experience. With 6 adjustable height settings ranging from 0.98 to 2.76 inches, the mower adapts to various grass types, providing a versatile solution for achieving your desired lawn appearance. Its 16-inch cutting width and 40-liter grass collection bag enhance efficiency, reducing the number of passes required and minimizing cleanup time. Weighing only 26.5 pounds. This lawn mower is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it perfect for navigating tight spaces and hard-to-reach areas. The compact design ensures portability and effortless handling across your yard. The MZK lawn mower features a convenient one-button activation for quick and safe startup, preventing accidental operation. Whether you're maintaining a small yard or tackling larger areas, this cordless electric lawn mower delivers reliable performance, ease of use, and exceptional results. Number 6. The PTFE plastic tubing cutter is a reliable and durable tool designed for precise and clean cutting of various tubing materials. Built with a high-impact polyacetal body and a replaceable 304 stainless steel blade, it ensures a stable structure and long service life, even in high-temperature and high-pressure environments. The replaceable blade is securely fixed by screws, allowing customization based on user needs. This tubing cutter is engineered for smooth cutting, with a sharp and hardened cutting edge to provide clean and accurate results. Its design minimizes uneven cuts, improving installation efficiency and reducing the risk of leaks caused by rough edges. The cutter features a self-supporting mechanism for safe and efficient operation. By pressing the tail, users can quickly execute cuts, while the self-supporting design ensures the blade remains securely closed when not in use, enhancing both blade longevity and user safety. Versatile in application, it is suitable for cutting a range of soft pipes, including PU, PE, nylon, and PVC tubing, up to 3/4 inch in outer diameter. This tubing cutter is an essential tool for achieving clean, square cuts, making it ideal for both professional and DIY projects. Number 7. The Craig ACS 2100 adaptive cutting system combines precision and power for efficient and accurate cutting. The plunge cut track saw features a robust 12-ampere, 120-volt variable speed motor with load compensation, ensuring consistent performance. Its fully shrouded retracting blade, riving knife, electronic blade brake, and anti-kickback control enhance safety and precision during use. With a maximum cutting depth of 2 1/8 inches at 90 degrees and 1.5 inches at 45 degrees, along with a bevel capacity from -1 degree to 47 degrees, this saw handles a wide range of cutting tasks. The 62-inch aluminum guide track ensures precise cuts, either independently or when paired with the adaptive cutting system project table. The saw's zero-offset design aligns the track edge with the exact cut location, eliminating guesswork. An integrated anti-chip strip ensures splinter-free results, enhancing the quality of your cuts. Built for durability, this system is designed for years of reliable performance, making it a valuable tool for woodworking professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Number 8. The No Easy Zip Tie tool is a reliable solution for efficiently tightening and cutting plastic or nylon cable ties. Its ergonomic handle offers a comfortable grip, making it easy to use across various cable tie sizes while ensuring durability and long-term performance. This tool supports fastening nylon ties up to 0.35 inches in width, accommodating sizes starting from 0.11 inches, providing flexibility for different tasks. Designed for quick and secure application, the cable tie gun simplifies the process of organizing cables, wires, and other materials. It is ideal for a variety of settings, including electrical installations, industrial manufacturing, and construction projects, where precision and speed are crucial. One of its key advantages is maintaining a neat and tidy appearance for your cable ties by ensuring tight and secure fastening. The tool allows you to achieve professional results effortlessly, making it a must-have for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Number 9. The CZI Mini Chainsaw Cordless 6-inch is a lightweight and portable tool designed for efficient tree trimming and wood cutting tasks. Weighing just 2.62 pounds, it allows for easy one-handed operation, making it ideal for beginners and perfect for use in tight spaces. Its cordless design adds to its convenience, enabling effortless mobility during tasks. This chainsaw comes with two 2.0 rechargeable battery packs and a fast charger, ensuring extended usage. The batteries feature self-overload and temperature protection, enhancing their lifespan and reliability. It arrives fully assembled, requiring only minor adjustments using the included wrench. While no chain installation is necessary, regular tension checks are recommended for optimal performance. Equipped with a powerful motor, the CZI Mini Chainsaw can cut through logs up to 5.91 inches thick in as little as 8 seconds. This makes it highly efficient for wood cutting, pruning, and general gardening tasks. Its speed and ease of use provide a significant advantage over traditional chainsaws, offering unmatched versatility for home and garden projects. Number 10. The propane torch burner weed torch with an 800,000 BTU output is a highly versatile and durable tool suitable for a variety of outdoor and industrial tasks. It is crafted from high-temperature resistant metal, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to deformation. The ignition port is made of ceramic and alloy copper for safe and reliable operation, while the connectors and gas canister interface are constructed from pure copper with a double-seal design to prevent gas leakage. Heat-treated steel components add extra resistance to high temperatures. This torch can generate flame temperatures up to 3,600 degrees Fahrenheit, providing powerful heat output for efficient task completion. Its 2-inch wide flame outlet ensures a steady flame, ideal for demanding applications. With a 30-inch extended pole, it allows users to maintain a safe distance from the flame, reducing strain by eliminating the need to bend over during use. The handle is designed with non-slip patterns for a comfortable and secure grip. The torch features a one-click ignition device for simple operation and an adjustable flame control knob for precise flame size management. It is compatible with propane fuel cylinders using CGA 600 standard interfaces or liquid propane tanks with a separately purchased connecting hose. This tool is ideal for burning weeds and leaves, melting snow and ice, barbecuing meat or fish, starting fires, burning wood grain, softening asphalt, welding, and removing paint from non-flammable surfaces. It is a practical choice for use in gardens, farms, industrial settings, and construction projects.